Hey everyone, welcome back to Coinstale. What you can see here is a two form of water. One is a liquid and another one is a solid form. The liquid form, as you can see, the water is flowing, and the solid form, it's coming from the sky. As you can see, the snowfall. And look at the trees, how beautiful it looks. Okay, I'm going to the uphill to show you guys a beautiful coin I have. Why I'm going uphill? Because this is a beautiful place and less sound polluted. You will see the difference when I'll go upstairs. And today we have a very beautiful coin to show you. That's basically talking about the snow, and it's 2011 been published coin that's produced. I think it's a 7,500. I need to check. I'm not 100% sure though. But yeah, let's go. We are planning to go here. That's the Billing. You can see Billing Bridge domain. There's a beautiful, I think it's an art gallery, or whoever first come to the, let me see. Welcome to the Billings Estate National Historic Site. So whoever first came to the this Billings Bridge site, and everywhere is white because crystal don't have any color. But when the light, so basically what I try to mean here, snow actually don't have its own color, and when the light goes through snow, the crystal, which is the snowflakes, basically crystal creates the snowflakes and the snow falls from the sky. So, and when the light passes through, we can see that it is white. It's a pretty bad uphill, to be honest. Let me show you surrounding while going to the uphill. I actually like when snow falls, and you'll see. I don't have a very good camera though, but planning to buy one and make a very good videos with that one, because I think you'll not be able to see a very good motion of the snow with this camera. Anyways, you can see this is not actually road. This road is covered with snow, and if I go there, let me show you. It's gonna be more like half of my feet is on the snow. Let me show. So this is the building I'm talking about, and let me show you the coin itself, the beautiful coin I have. And let me catch the breath. This is the coin I was talking about. 2011 $20 small crystal snowflakes coin, and it's a Swarovski crystal, and you see a pattern. That's the specialty of the snowflakes which falls from the sky, that this pattern don't match another pattern. So basically what you can see here is a millions of pattern of snow fall from the sky, and they don't match, they're identical. Let me see if I can zoom it to show you guys. No, I don't think this camera, it's just like you can only see it's like ice, but basically this is snowflakes, and those snowflakes, it's not same to the other one, so they are technically identical to each other. That's beautiful. What it's called, like, that's beautiful to know. Not the beautiful terminology is to know that each snowflakes does have their own character, and even it doesn't flow in the same direction, if I'm not wrong. And let me show you where am I. And look at the coin. This is the snowflakes coin, and This is the opposite side of the coin. $20 beautiful coin, 1 trounce, a little bit more trounce silver, and as you can see, it's a little bit, it's quite bad storm. And let me show you one more thing. This one is basically telling you all what I tried to explain. It's let me show you in the camera, and I'll try to go slow. And this is about the coin. And yeah, oh, it's 15,000. I thought it's 7,500 they produce. Okay, that's pretty much. If you miss any one of my video, please check out on the link, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll try to bring more coins with a different theme. That's pretty much for today. Enjoy the snowfall, and bye for now. Take care.